Yema Obibia Akwaba Eba Spark GHTV and then Enumerate. Yes, Sama Yedi Ebremo Ayatunidi and Sem SC and then Enumerate Yedi Ebremo into message so be abeji akonya atena so no beti anase wahye ye twa ye ho abasema na se ye koba ye de ensem na begu apono so e de amamo idin e de Irene Arthur eja ye ma akwaba eba Spark GHTV e de Enumerate
mejimusu
say you won't check out brother for saying they are feel sad.
And say dear answer Senania Cancasa say food doors when I was so winning in Ano. That I said the only Takaka was a very Ghana is she call any and summer a solo of my new man. I was a dear going Ghana. The shame before for now, yet the bread for but she said there, you're back to stay.
Radias is about to stay here on baby. In some bebre, El Coso, or my Ghana, Imuna say you vivid say, yes, say fix the country. For in some bebre, but social media, Facebook, you say fix the country. Papa may begin say, also what say, El Coso, or my Ghana. It's now your friend will have and then you may never say, Yen Bisa wa drink shred, and will conquer. Say, what's so woman is saying, I want to find the same.
I mean, you have a dedicano, Nankupon Shramu, because program be a model baby and a camera was a tough. And I can't so I'm with the mammy Danny and then so many shop. I mean, Shamu. And I check a CB Musum comma motif for Yasha for a Danny then because yet Omo Cabana and give you a debut moving a day. Nami Shireti for Yasha Fonso. I remember back to a question I will decide concerning this fix the country issues arise of Ghana. Na Mati say, yeah, can be said. The president should fix. Some are saying the president should fix the country. Others are saying the government should fix. My man, funny me, those who are saying the president should fix the country. Say you can't say the president should fix the country. Mecca say we are wrong, but you knew the government should fix. Because see, you see the word government there, it means me and you're forming the word government. It is a you can't say the government should fix the country there, and it means you better take part of what the country was fixing. But before government better not fix it, and as a president better not fix the country, this is a young team for you fixing an attitude. Because if we be maintenance, because we should be about maintenance culture. Say you be na you buy my any upon say damage be ba na ya eden ya share na ya tutu nyema. It a here for the bema sa maintenance na ti my den akoso. E be ye me na ade no me mpasuam na say ade ni wo me de me bro no so. Me na message tweet say o say abibia maintenance ye den. Eye adwuma. It is said the government should fix the country Ghana there. And you're not young for first of all, you check yourself. You assess an attitude, say the attitude is same. I catch a government is an unfixing country because they are checking an attitude that fine government betting accept this offer say or be fix it. It is so easy task to fix the country. But you better fix here, we not we as a Ghanaians, your attitude towards our country fixing, a poor government, a Juma, why you know, be in vain. What I say, Yana, you can be said, cleanliness is next to godliness, but cleanliness becomes what next word development. The more now who do winning, not who develop it. oh my, because I will need the dear Bema or mine one tea or Bema or mine one affair. And I ever saw rise on mine economy or mine the Esikas because the more I would do, yeah, where I'm going free. So it is a government in fix a country in India. Just why your citizens know. Yen show say ye should be a send your mind. You be the country and one for one son abaya bema babe fixing yama. Because we say a choir ye fast to Galamsey. Fine, Galamsey no good now to a natural resources. But because of natural resources now we pay because of pocketing. Who said destroy another natural resources are a year sure and money pamper because water is life. Because of who seek out being who says so when you are sad in our way and yet, but who send the Paco say the government should fix the country. Meanwhile, who's inside in our way and yet it has a wood jaya country bet my day. I couldn't and a view. Remember your attitude now make come once. Most of the Ghanaian shoot no muade. Say on my betting yet develop here, I did work on self-respect. One factor. Just recently, Nana Duma State of Nation address as Obusua Omano. One lady called Sarah or Sally, Aquala Ketua Metimakasa Okranebia Opapakra and show. Now, what in your baby comment? Our president, a state of nation address as here, all year as he said, on fixing country where you fool. Let's assume he says, send a papa and an air casa, and I will be class as statement in the children papa and can anybody wanna. Oh, there are some things here, we take it for granted, we take it for saying sick, but and nice. Sa aquada. Even make us another private obetima wo papa ma wo papa be wuntina na do ya wo nananti say ye de akuna no Ghana akuna si nchen a na se na na do ogusuani a me pa cho ka betimi agina na nima digina atem eti wo send pa wo this self respect what you abegina social media so edit woman panyina atem a me pa cho wo se government we should fix the country or fix your attitude so eti ya woni ma bi wo ha. We need to come together to form what? A team to do it. Building Ghana and any power open. Now, Uncle Farmy do a yao pa ye ministers. We do a yaka. And your money a bit more. On say, oh, share politics. And you find, say, you bear politics because politics becomes what? A game. A game. It's a form of game. It is then you need to say something a bit media will become an opponent. Not your two Obama, but say, oh, you minister, now your two Obama as a comradeship with Jamua. Me part of the moment I open Yaban, who could do parliament, don't go there to do politics. Do away with your party because that time when it is said, oh, party president, no power, and also party leader, any power. Satam young could no party down. But ye continue how why ye bema or mine developer could do pempen so ye pay. What I say, it is either NDC is on power or MPP is not on power. No. Jamma ya dwene benkuro mi say there be after all see NDC kwani power na say MPP ni power. Ye minute memfon na ye nyema ebema o mine na ye etumpo because me no tia sese se Ghana etumpo kodrum pempen so aye pa me pa to nya me no mi e bebo ya baso what I say ye be ka se Ghanaian leaders e na o maye o madwuma de but I can now say Ghana leaders need be work with selfish interest because of their belly because of their pocket it no kwatena wo kwaye no ye ne akon so me so a then ye scammer. So, it's a man be more by so meanwhile, we a minister who take huge tax of Ghana or development. So, it's the Edibama or Safa com Pesua so quiet man Pesua soon development and conquer ye be Muna, then first can show to me and send me a more by anything. Yana as anti for Castle, you must say by finding so you will need, but Yan needs a two and a wedding or sell. And I will need penalty. We are now where I say, Udi to Abra. Mammy, we young and I definitely bet him. Cause I didn't end yet, I was some man about one about who say, oh, yeah, 20, who was a Jibu young, and also the problem for Friday. Eba, it's my minister's name fan show with him say, yeah, you try to cabo some or feel okay, why on meaning Tinimano, Ebia maybe Baba, who minister only ho, or baby Baba, one more pound to what? No better no, cause you're too young Ghana, you're not right assassin now, yes, more giant and none of you on, edit to mine, and they'll do me no music say everything. You bet was, but who won't was why I say, who say, it is our fix the country issue now. Arise on Ghana na circulate to social media no say you betimi affix Ghana as a country ni dia eyeminu mienu asede say you bet check your attitude first cause who ti gamo to the president ni oba bia wo ti a wo ton na ma ye beto akoye nkwan wa hye bola ho sa particular area ona wa sa ma be ko toilet wo enti wo sa nipa no me pa jo aban na mfifie metwe praye empra sa do no so ma wana utifia wo person wo maintain hygienic ti ade na ba bia wo ti a wo ton ade nipa beto kodi no wo maintain sa hygienic it means we are fixing the country, but the government be here fine, government basis numa, government basis school, ubenya biya but you say oh you when we na see ntimi ani ehunia yare ebekunya tinyema government be yetimi fix enti ye nyina ne say ye person government fix country ni dia and ye fix your attitude first. Na ye kasaba agwedu abruti na wode menyi ni so besi Ghana da ye frebo e bitwin Jonas mintia na ade na awoye no o prompti obi ka unu sa abruti ne ukurom wonya citizen wa America o ye Ghana ni ufri ha na akoye enti ye se konfo boni ya watena ya alefo ama konfo pa beto no sa konfo no ye ko aseda yenya ni because onye kuran watini aboyale fo no ba ma wo konfo pa be de wo be tonti kan mu se wo ye Ghana ni ufuma hye Ghana eti se wo ko nyanya mi adum wa bie kwa na kodura America e ma medina ho emi dum panimfo atam fane sa wo papa na wabusuafo bi na nsega omu ye aduma o man Ghana mu a me pa jo no obi didi o matamanka wo be fa situation ni se me agency no but the way or Kasano, only very careful. So, I didn't put a bomb by now. Musa, be a wash as if you were here. Once a leader, you have to give respect, maximum respect to your leaders. I then know John Okasa on Cassenti America from Kubos the view Dinani. But to whom say there is a vast distance to Okanagni. Nadrina Okano, who can probably fast or Bene or Beckham, and in the form of what said. Would insult a man who leaders. Even so, Obi I know she ran young Pocomede, Obi Chiauka. Eti, Mammy say, fix the country issues, Miss Betman fixing us a Ghana big developer as other countries. Let's check our attitude first before we call in the government to do his part. That is all.
Wow, that's the what didn't try what they am I and they Jidi se etiefu amofie ni mo amohwe mo amotie ye jidi se mafa tu se mebre efi nsem a ye papa edi egu ho and enwumre no message say bia bekoso subscribe to our channel we call Facebook at Spark G8 TV and na expose 1G8 TV so what message say bia be subscribe to it now we comment say wo comment be say wo fambra na yebeje no asopemu ne ya work on it. There will be as so tie and then you read. And I was